log and sideways rolls. Our gymnasts are ready to do log rolls. They need to have their feet together though, and so do you. Their knees together, stretch your arms, and then you're going to roll this way, all the way to me. Try and keep straight, try and squeeze your body straight, squeeze your tummy straight. Stop when you get to me. Well done. When you're doing this exercise, try and really think about keeping your tummies really, really tight and try and keep straight. Have another go going back. Excellent. Very nice, you two. Off you go. Okay, now I'm going to ask one of our more experienced gymnasts to show you how we can do this exercise. So as we do our log roll, we can show our dish and our arch shape to show a much better control. So our dish shape, then our arch shape, then our dish shape. This takes real good core strength. So you really must squeeze those tummies and squeeze that bottom. Go again. Let's go that way this time. And you'll see that this will make your log roll stay a lot straighter. Excellent. That's exactly how you want to do your log rolls. Next, we're going to show you our sideways rolls. So we start with one leg bent that we're knelt on and the other one outstretched. As we do this skill, we roll across our back. So we curl up into a ball and we roll over our shoulder, looking up at the ceiling as we go. You'll see she does a mirror shape on the other side. So as she comes up, she makes the same shape but with the opposite legs. Go again, going back, arms wide, bring those arms in. Excellent. You can, as you go over, bring those arms into your chest. Very nice. That's our sideways roll.